Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some shortcuts in DAX, especially for beginners that will enable you to write your DAX effectively. The first one is to increase or decrease the font size in order to see what you're writing clearly. You can do this in two ways, either using your keyboard or your mouse. If you want to use your keyboard to increase the font size, hold down the Control key and the plus sign to increase, then hold down the Control key and the minus sign to decrease. If you want to do that using your mouse as well, hold down the Control key and then scroll up to increase, and hold it down as well and scroll down to decrease. Next is to add a new line. If you want to add a new line here, you can hold down the shift key and press enter to add a new line. When you press just enter, you find out that you can't add a new line using that. You have to hold down the shift key, then enter before adding a new line. The next is for you to select a current line. If you want to select this current line, you can hold down the control key and then L to select that line. If you want to select that line up or downwards, you need to hold down the shift key, then arrow up or down to select up or down as the case may be. Next is for you to, if you are in a situation whereby you want to like change similar data, just like we have date here occurring multiple times, and you want to change them all at once to save your time instead of changing them individually, you can achieve that easily by keeping your cursor there, then holding down the shift key, control key and L to select everything at once. If I change that to far, you can see that I'm changing everything at once, and that will save that particular time for you. But if you want to select them individually, yes, they are the same occurrence, but you want to select them individually, you can achieve that as well by holding down your control key, then D to select them one after the other. And you can also select to the right or to the left as the case may be. You can achieve this by holding down the control key, the shift key, and then the arrow key to the right and the arrow key to the left, depending on which way you want to go. So these are different shortcuts that can help you in writing DAX effectively. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.